everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix glitches in Instagram highlights. If your highlights are not showing properly, disappearing or glitching, follow these steps to get them working again. The first thing to do is first close Instagram. Go to your recent apps and swipe away Instagram to fully close it. Then reopen the app and check if your highlights are back to normal. Then, clear cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to your phone settings, tap Apps, Apps again, and find Instagram, select Storage, and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall Instagram from the App Store to refresh the app. The next step is to check your internet connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause Instagram highlights to glitch. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or move to a place with better connectivity. Next, ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. Head to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and update it if an update is available. If one specific highlight is glitching, try editing it by removing and re-adding the attached stories. Go to your profile, tap on the highlight, then tap More, and select Edit Highlight. If the glitch persists, you can report the issue to Instagram. Go to your profile, then Settings, scroll down and select Help, then tap Report a Problem and explain the highlight issue you're facing. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any glitches in your Instagram highlights. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!